Welcome back, fam. It's Friday, boys. Happy weekend. Bitcoin being rather spicy this morning, seeing some upside price action coming in on the chart. Bitcoin reaching up to 60,000, getting very close there. I believe we were just $100, $200 away. A lot of the spice seems to have cooled down, but is it done for today? Is the rally over? We have a poll going in the chat. This weekend, are we going to keep rallying? Are we going to dump? Are we going to do nothing? I want your votes. I want your opinions. I want you to engage with the live stream. The more you like, subscribe, hit those beautiful little emoji buttons. Let me show you. Hit these little buttons here. They count as well. The more you do that, the more you do those activities, the more YouTube shows this to new viewers. And that's how our fam grows. So I appreciate you. Shout out to our sponsors, Lux, Algo, Meta Signals, keeping this stream ad-free while we're live. For you, use my links. You'll get free trials. It's good stuff. So let's jump into the charts. Stuff's getting spicy. First things first, let's just kind of look at our levels here. Look at what's going on. Over the last 3 days, we were targeting our weekly green or weekly bullish engulf. I believe this needs to be updated line here. I'm going to go over to the updated one. Hold up. There we go. Bullish engulf right there at 57.3. We got it. Over the last 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, and now into Friday, we've seen price consolidate at this level, closing above 57.3, trading sideways, making sure to paint those deep bottom wicks to flush out those new long positions, bait in some shorts, and continue price higher. So where are we? Currently, we sit at a green monthly candle at 58.9. September's green, baby. What happened? What happened to the September is the most bearish month. October will be so bullish. September, oh, we're doomed. What happened? Like I said in the last few streams, the more retail or the more the general audience believes that's going to happen, the less likely I believe it's going to, or the less probable it is, I believe, to actually happen. And maybe that's what we're seeing here. So are we out of the woods? What's going on the chart? Let's take a look at some of the few indicators we've been following here on price action. On the day, we have a very, very spicy move. Today's rally just in time. Yesterday's candle moved up to the 20 daily moving average. Remember, over the course of the last few weeks, we have talked about this. We have said the 20 weekly commonly has price moved back to it, whether it is testing it as support or resistance. Since we were underneath the 20, we'd be looking potentially for resistance to be found there. We've seen many sell-offs begin with a clean touch to that 20 into lower lows. We can see price here in August losing the 20, falling to lower lows, and things were looking a little bleak. Yesterday's candle traded above it, closed below, and this is why this rally is just in time. Bringing us above that 20 daily moving average gives us some very nice confidence that we have not had for some time. It looks like all of September has been spent under this moving average, and just today the market's looking to push higher. So in a 2-cent view of this chart, retaking the 20 daily sets our targets back to that 200. The 200 day, a very big, meaningful moving average, has kept price down in August's rallies, rejecting and giving us some very bearish sentiment, some very bearish signals on this chart because of that. I would like to see over this weekend and into next week a move to 64,000. And this time, unlike in August, I'd like to see that the bulls reclaim that level. That is what I am thinking. That is what I am looking for here over the next, I'll say 7 to 10 days, something like that. When we look at our Bollinger Bands, we have an interesting story combined with these moving averages. This has changed a little bit since yesterday, but yesterday the 200 daily sat exactly at the top of the daily Bollinger Bands, and that was a very juicy target. I think I tweeted about it. We discussed the hit to the bottom of the band September 6th, the retest of 20 before it even happened. We're saying this is what looks like we're going to see here. That 20 tested as resistance, and then we'll find out. Rejection from there likely would have led us to lower lows in the short term, but it does not seem that is what the Bulls have on their bingo card today. Top of the band sits very close to the 200. We've retaken the 20. I'll say confirmation would be a green close today, as long as we don't close red. If close red, it's probably a pretty gnarly rejection, actually. But so far, so good, up 2.5%, targeting that 64,000 level. Now, getting rid of those indicators. Let's go back to the chart here. Back to our analysis. God, that's so beautiful. I guess I'll say our next kind of upside green higher time frame candle target would be 62.7. That will bring not just the week and the month green, but the quarter itself. Since the beginning of this quarter, I have said 71.2 is a pretty solid price to look for to be tested in this 3-month period. We still have, oh man, I'm losing track of my months. Is a quarter? We have 1 month left, or is this the last month? The last month in the quarter, that's right. With 17 days left, it is getting, 17 days left, it is certainly not looking quite as likely. We did hit 69.9, pretty close, but not quite, I'll admit, not quite the 71.2 level that I'm looking for from the open, or we'll even say the close of Q1 this year. A lot of people are leaning towards Q4 being bullish. There is some catalysts that may spark that. I think there's some Celsius, BlockFi, whatever rebuying. There's something about Q4. I don't know. Maybe you guys know better than I do, chat. Something, a few billion. I don't remember. Maybe you guys know. Let's look at this weekly quick. While price is just sitting sideways, no changes here. That Stoch RSI, I left it up on the chart. Whoever asked me about it the other day. Not in the best condition, still down here in that oversold. We haven't seen even the basis line cross above the lagging line here to give us an uptrending signal. Not quite yet. Money flow remains green. Weekly has a pretty clear path to 64, what we were looking for on the 200-day there. That would be 2 weeks ago. We had our open and our close creating a local weekly resistance, and that is looking pretty prime, actually. It's looking pretty damn good. Go down to the 12. Let's see what the 12 hours got for us. This won't be too long, guys. It's Friday. We're going to look at all kinds of random charts and things. We're not going to eat any cats or dogs, and we're just going to keep charting. 12 hours slowly rolling over. VWAP positive. I'll take that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Let's go down to I've been paying attention to the 8 hour and the 6 hour more lately, just because it's something to look at, especially when markets are so sideways. Looking at the same time frames doesn't typically yield fresh results. Not typically. So I like to mix it up. 8 hours still looking a little saggy despite this rally. I do like this price action here. The move up, the flush, the accumulation, whatever you want to call it, and then a pop higher that was begun with a wick. And as we climb down these time frames, that wick will become spicier and spicier. I do have some new trades open. I believe I opened EX. I'll show you guys those in a little bit along yesterday. Nothing too big, nothing too exciting, but I'll update you guys on where I'm at with my perpetual positions once I get through this. As we zoom down, starting to kind of mirror maybe the recovery as we've seen on indices in the US markets. Obviously, the indices recovered from August 5th, not September 5th, but starting to see potentially that V shape paint out. That would be a blessing. That would be an absolute blessing, man. Let's hope that happens. RSI on the 6. Here's something I do like. I like this. RSI struggling under the 50 line here from, looks like the end of August 26th, all the way to September 9th. RSI being held down, bearish selling pressure out, matching the bullish buying pressure in the market. But since the 9th, I'm liking it. RSI moving to a higher high, back testing, coming back to that 50 line. And we can see here bulls defending that relative strength, pushing it back higher, another higher low, and now moving into that overbought level. I like that. Here's what I'd like to see. If RSI remains above 50, this uptrend, I think 64K is a great target to aim for. If we see this over the weekend, trade sideways, maybe even sell off, this RSI may fall under 50. And I think that will be an early warning signal for a pause on the rally that we're seeing this morning. Going down. Same thing on the 4. I like that. 4 hour. Ooh, just rolled over again, giving us some fake outs here. Some big moves have been created via those fake outs. When you see your indicators kind of go bearish, bearish, bullish, bearish, and then finally picking a direction, we tend to see strong moves after those. Down to the 2 hour, remains bullish again. It seems like every time we stream, the 2 hours giving us goodies. Money flow hitting higher highs with VWAP and momentum. All the good signals that I could find on the 2 hour are there. I like it. 1 hour just rolling over as well. We have a little called an indecision candle here. We're going to do some much lower time frame analysis than we typically do, only because we are in the midst of what could be a rally continuing during our live stream here on the hour. The last hour as we started streaming closed red. This hour now reaching back up to where it opened, and it may be targeting during the live bullish engulfing. Let's see how this plays out. 90-minute close strong. 45-minute reflecting the hour. Interesting. 30 down here. Same setup on the 30-minute, potentially looking for that bullish engulf, battling it out right now in real time as we stream live on YouTube. Let's go. Let's go. I don't think we're done. I don't think we're done. We might have a little pause. That pause might extend till times we're not going to continue streaming to, but I'm not convinced that this is over, boys. Not convinced at all. Momentum up, VWAP up. RSI's hanging out in those nice, healthy, overbought statuses. I like it. Even Stotch. I'll have to start using Stotch more. Even Stotch kind of gearing up, hopefully reflecting that same move. 10-minute beautiful. I'm loving that 10-minute candle. Whew. Oof. 5 still showing uptrending strength, still holding on. I like it. Go down to that 1, boys. Rolling over in this moment. Ooh. All right, we're very, very, very zoomed in. So anything you see here, please take it with a grain of salt. Lower the time frame, the less confident in general of anything you can be. And the 1 minute is maybe the best example of that. Zoomed in here from our high today down to our low just 30 minutes ago. Seems like Bitcoin finding bids here, moving back to that hour bullish engulf past the 618, already closing candles above the 618 retracement. I think we keep going. I do. Oh man. Let's go, Bitcoin. It's been a long time, green candles, but we've been waiting for you. Don't be shy. We're here. Maybe we should turn on some tunes. Friday tunes? Yeah. No copyright. EDM. We're going to put it on real quiet. Real low in the background, don't you worry. Some old EDM. This will do. Let me know how that sound volume is. You can't hear it now. There it is. There it is. Might be a little loud. Good enough for me. Good enough for me. Nope. Now it stopped playing. I have troubles, man. I got troubles. All right. Looking good today. Feeling good. Are you guys feeling good? I hope you are. It's great to have you all. I want to remind you, this is not financial advice. I'm just a dude doing my best, sharing my analysis and my trades, which I'm actually about to do. About to show you guys the updates to the live trades here in real time. We've got 400 viewers and counting and climbing. It's a nice trend. Should we chart this? Should we chart this trend? Well, there you go. Nope. YouTube doesn't want to do it. Should we chart it? It's looking like Bitcoin nice and bullish. You're doing a great job out there engaging with the live. I ask that you continue to comment, share, subscribe, like, hit those placebo buttons. Let's do it together. Click them up. Click them up while we wait. What's good? What's good? What's up? It's Friday. Can you comprehend it? What's up, Quicker, my friend? Keep smashing them buttons. Who's here today? Shout out of Ace of Hearts. Bad Baptist giving them shout outs. What's up, brother? What do you guys have going on this weekend? Drop some Skrillex, I wish. I played some Res like last week and it destroyed the stream. So I'm back to being cautious with the music again. It's all right. Let's see who's here. Are you here today? If you are, I ask you put a little message in the chat, say hello. Let us know what you're feeling this weekend by voting in that poll. What's up, Ace of Hearts, Bad Baptist, Bad Fox? How you doing, darling? Bart Reefman, Calzolio. You gotta tell me how to say that. Clever Custom Productions, Crypto Nate, Crypto Rancher, Crypto Sharknado, Dave Kane, Dehruv, Dabral, Donkadan, Fabio, Folsom Hodel, GGGGD. What's up, GGGG? Greg, how you doing, Greg? Hanhunnel, Hornets, 100 Air Quicker, Lee Ramirez, Lochski, Marcelo Rodriguez, just a user. What's up, brother? I see you. I call you. Mighty Moggy Games on Twitter X. How are you? My wonderful Moggy. It's good to see you. Me Hall. How you doing, man? Mr. Anderson NZ, Nick Young, NYFA, One with Nature, Patrick RL, 91, Peter Philip J. Fry, RHM, Robert O'Connor, Roro Crypto, RSK, NOR. What's up, bro? I saw you at the start of the stream. S. Save with Crypto, Scotty Swings, Stoby, 36, Sunchips. What's up, Sunchips? Suppressive Fire, T-Bone, TM, Tahameen 138, The Dusty Hunt. What's up, Pickle, Tillin, Tom 𝐂𝐴𝐽 𝐬𝐿, Tony Rosas, Erlich White. I'm sure I missed some. If I missed you, it's alright. Just put a message in chat. What's up, Chill Your Mind? Perhaps check out some USDT. We looked at that on Wednesday. And this morning I was like cleaning up my charts and I closed that one. I was like, I don't have any more to like kind of get from this chart. Certainly without looking at it, we can say USDTD probably going down, at least in the hourly time frame from this morning, right? Bitcoin going up, likely USDT going down. We can take a look at it then. Probably not going to be the first chart we look at. Do link later. We can look at link. We can look at SUI. I'll pull them up if they're ones that I have already up, just while we sit here and shoot the shit, wait for the corn. SUI. Target hit, boys. What's up? Matan Tube got timed out. Do I think Bitcoin will go to 61 in 4 hours? Yes. There you go. Can we look at Myro? 𝐂𝐴𝐽. The only women you've seen in crypto are in Tom's chat. Yeah. Well, we bring all the ladies to the yard. Our charts bring all the ladies to the yard, and they bring milkshakes. I don't know. Undocumented immigrant ate roaring kitty. That is some breaking news, my friend. Breaking news. What other charts do I have up? JPY. This is big. So a lot of you won't care about this, but the real traders out there probably will. JPY now breaking. We made this call earlier in August that this was going to happen. It did technically break out on Wednesday when we streamed. Today, another higher high on the JPY. Kind of an interesting setup. I'll tell you why this is important. Back here, August 5th. We all remember August 5th. Every market dumped seemingly for reasons we couldn't really figure out in real time. It was like everything was dumping. Stocks, crypto, the dollar. Didn't really make sense. Gold, everything. This was in tandem with what people are calling the JPY trade. That was when the JPY broke out at the start of August, causing markets to topple. However, here we are in September, same thing. JPY breaking out again, yet it doesn't seem to be having the same effect. If you look over at the NASDAQ, which we did some analysis on Wednesday, boom, we were looking for 19,165. If we overshot it, we were looking to test the top of this descending trend. Here we are, another successful TA, another chart analyzed. You know, something I said to you guys, I want to say it was Monday of this week. I said, man, a lot of these trades have been brutal because I like to come out here. Remember, please never blindly just copy them. They're just ideas, trying to give you inspiration so you can go out and do your own analysis. I don't want you to just regurgitate mine. That's not winning. But I said, man, these have been brutal. And I'm almost like skeptical to continue putting trades out for a while, right? Because it's just been such a bad streak. On Wednesday, we placed 2 trades. It might have been Monday. Might have been Monday. Let's see. We placed 2 trades. And when I placed them, I said, guys, if these work out, start paying attention. Because a lot of the OGs here that have been following us on YouTube, we've been live 5 years. We have a toddler in kindergarten. This channel's a toddler in kindergarten. People have been watching for a long time. We've been through bull and bear markets. And in general, you guys know I am bullish. I'm a bullish trader. I like uptrends. I like trading them. And it happens that when the market becomes bullish, I have noticed that my trades will start hitting. Typically like back to back, not perfect, but we'll start hitting. But it's specifically when the market starts trending bullishly. And I said on Monday, it was Monday, watch out if these start hitting. We might be back in the uptrend. And Monday's trades worked out really well. Our short did get stopped out, but that long sniped the bottom, 55,688. Of course, we closed at 57.3. We did place trades on Wednesday. One of them, and we didn't have very big upside targets, hit, filled, done. The other one unfilled down here at 57 flat, 57.3 up to just about 58K. Trades are hitting again. Does that guarantee the bulls are back? No, nothing guarantees anything. That's a silly question. Don't ask that. But is it a good sign combined with this little rally here? I absolutely believe so. Absolutely believe so. I have noticed it myself, and I've even noticed it kind of before rallies have started. I'm like, man, these are hitting again. Does that mean it's going to be bullish? And with pretty strong confidence, it has been. So we're just going to continue. Maybe I should throw some trades up today. See how they play out, right? I'll show you my live trades in a minute. Let's look at this price action. That's so spicy. God, we needed this green. It just makes me feel good, man. Just makes me feel good. I kind of get why people become perma bears now, because you get to spend so much time feeling good, because like it's just going down all the time, right? Overall it goes up and you get wrecked, but for so much time you can sit there comfortably and feel good, where the rest of us who are bullish have sat here and really just kind of had our like knuckles clenched, right? Just like, when the hell is this gonna end? When are we gonna go up? What's happening? Kind of get it. Let's take a look here, kind of an hourly time frame. What's happening? Clear resistance. Clear resistance was broken. Where might we mark that? I don't know, 58.5, something like that. Let's tell the story. Higher lows, higher highs. Higher lows, higher highs. Broke a low. However, went right back up to your high. Here we go. We see the market push back up to this 58.5 level. Reject, bounce, reject, bounce. Testing that resistance over and over and over again. Buyers coming in at slightly higher prices until the market popped. So what should or could we look for as analysts of the craft? I would say, if you think this rally is going to end this week, as that poll is going on, we got 400 votes on that poll. 44% say pump through the weekend, 35% say dump. Interesting. Those numbers are slowly starting to change. The sentiment's slowly starting to change on this channel. I like that. Crap, I lost my tab. Hold up. Hold up. There we go. There we go. Sentiment's slowly starting to change. What I was saying. Okay, resistance there. Some of you looking for downside over the weekend, or even nothing burger sideways. Right there, 58.5. Acted as resistance over the course of 2 days-ish. Bullishly broke out. That's probably a decent spot to be looking if you are trying to find a long position, right? I think that could be played. Say something like this. Just like leave it like that for now. You may be able to as well look for a short. I don't want to take this one. I don't think it's a good idea to short right now. I like the energy that I'm seeing and feeling in this market. Basically 69.7, just that hourly close. Stop. I guess you'd want to put it above 60, right? Probably. It's not the best. Either way, looking to target that long entry. I think that is a decent way to approach, whether you're looking for a long or a short. I think that's not a bad way to go about it. What did I lose here? Hold up. Lost something. The last thing I would do is go long right here, right now at the top of this candle. And that is actually a good segue. If you give me 1 second, that's a good segue into the next part of the stream, where I'm going to share with you my newest trades. That's right, live trades. Could you do me a favor? What's up, 𝐂𝐡𝐚, my guy? We got some new subscribers. By the way, reminder, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see 125, 179,000. Yes, that is my target for Bitcoin, but more importantly, it's how many subscribers are on this channel. We have gained 25,000 new members since March of this year, and we hit 100K. We gained a ton on Wednesday. I have no idea why. Maybe we can repeat that. If you're out there and you haven't subscribed, please join our fam. Jump in the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. You'll find the link at the top of the live chat right now. We're here Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 1 p.m. East, and kind of any time in between when things get extra spicy. I should have gone live earlier today. Yeah, I should have gone live earlier. So we did these trades. I'm going to show you the live trades that I've made or added since the live stream. Let's see, pulling these over. I got two. Here. Make sure no private info is being shared. There we are. All right, so I do have a trade open on 𝐕X. 𝐕X is a no KYC exchange. They've got perps. They've got spot. I've been testing them out along with a few others. You guys know September 1st already happened. So FEMX accounts, new ones are now KYC'd. Existing ones aren't affected. So this isn't a big position by any means. I took that 57.5 long. Now, stop loss, probably going to be looking to move it up to, we'll say like 57.9, just a little bit in profit. I can actually do that live here. I don't think I've added a stop loss on this exchange yet. Let's see how it goes. I understand. Stop loss trigger price. Average entry, 57.5. Let's go. Just go 57.9. It's the weekend. I'm going to have some brews. I'm going to have some bulls. You know, like, I don't want to be babysitting this position all weekend. That'll close us out just green with fees. It's like a 3% gain. Stop loss placed. First one. Okay, don't remind me. Remember, guys, on all exchanges, all centralized exchanges, there is risk. Insolvency is a risk, even at Coinbase, Binance. Never keep more on exchanges than you're willing to trade with or willing to lose. It's not for holding. There's my guy. What's up, Telmo Vicente? Telmo Vicente. What's up, bro? So I got that long opened. I actually opened a second long on fair desk. I have more funds here. We were net short. I've been net short. So this is actually maybe a big day. You may find out Monday if I'm wrecked or a genius. We were net short for quite some time. Short is open from 71.2. It isn't the biggest one. I know. I should open bigger. I had another one at 70 and ended up, I forget. I think it got stopped out like back in April. It's been so long. Stop loss for that short. I'm just going to let it run really. Up at 76K. I opened long again. My average price, 57.8, slightly higher than on 𝐕X. This is on Fairdesk, by the way. Been trading on there for a long time. Open. You can see I have a rather large stop loss just down at 57 here for that ad. I'm now net long by a good margin. It's about 66% long, 33% short. So even my positions have changed. They have shrugged off some of that bearishness. Fingers crossed, boys. Let's get some more green candles. So I'm going to throw that away. I'm going to pull up the chat now. I got distracted. You guys know how I roll. I'm going to pull up the chat. We're going to do a little free form ad-libbing crypto streaming. We're going to take some requests. We're going to see what you guys are doing. I don't know. We can just shoot the shit. Doesn't really matter. Whatever it is. While you're ready, your best questions up, I am going to launch the short stream. I'm curious who gets notifications. Last time we did this, a bunch of you got notifications while you're in our live. So I'm going to go ahead, rip that bad boy off. It's going live. That's for all the TikTokers and stuff. All those boys, like their vertical streams. Let me know. Let me know if that gave you a notification. Also, put something in the chat because it's the engagement time. It is the read chat time. And I want to see what's on your mind, guys. I want to see where you're at. I want to see the sentiment. I want to see the charts you're looking at. I want it all. I want it all. Not afraid of the splatter. I don't even know what you're talking about. Ace of Hearts, you're a wild child. I love you, bro. What's up, Crimson? What would you do if you just held spot? Would you try to sell and buy back lower? Crimson, that's a question I love answering. And the perfect question to answer right as I power up that short stream. Where is that short stream? I think I lost it. But perfect question to answer. So common position to be in, and I would go a step farther and say an intelligent position to be in, is to be in spot. Mostly spot. I trade, you know, it's exciting. It's good content. I enjoy it. It's fun, right? It's a little addiction too. Leverage is great. You know, leverage is good if you know how to use it. But it is addictive, and it really typically ends in loss. Not many people eke it out. Not many people win. And so I do tell you guys, it's not a secret. The majority of what I do over the course of 8 years in crypto is just buy spot and hold. It's very boring. It is not exciting. It's the opposite of good content. It's the opposite of sexy content. And when you do that, you see all this volatility, and you can't help but wonder, could I capture that volatility? Could I profit from that volatility? Could I be doing better than in spot? And the answer, of course, is yeah, you could, but statistically, you probably won't. Statistically, you probably won't. Using leverage has such a low long-term success rate. There's a time and a place for it. But spot, so should you sell, buy lower? Well, one, if you were going to do that, you probably would want to wait until, let's say, the top of our range is tested, around that 70K area. Not financial advice. This is just my thoughts on what I would do if I was looking to kind of mix up my spot bag. I would probably be waiting for closer to the top of at least the highs we've seen this year, right? So currently above us this week, like 69. You know, maybe you'd be looking at like 64. We had some good reasoning today in the intro about why I think price is moving there. I would likely look to do that. Randomly doing it right here, right now could work out, of course. But I think that there are also a few other things to know. One, when trading spot, people feel pressured because they don't have leverage. They feel pressured to use their whole position. So someone will come to me and be like, should I sell my spot and buy lower? In their head, 99% of the time, they mean, should I sell all of my portfolio? And I think the answer to that is always no. Even if you're convinced the absolute top is in, I think selling your entire portfolio is a bad move. It puts you in a really disadvantaged position unless price just immediately moves down, right? Unless you won the ticket lottery or you won the lottery on price action. Doesn't happen often. I've never heard anyone selling all their spot and immediately and just solely going down. But if you do want to do this, you want to try this, consider viewing your portfolio in like percents or pieces, okay? If you're like, I want to sell right now and buy lower, try doing it with just say 1% of your portfolio, right? If you have one Bitcoin, maybe 0.01, and then look to buy that lower. A tip that will make that easier and more successful is, especially with spot, even if you're doing 1% or 100%, the minute you do that, go place a limit buy order at the level that you want to buy back lower at, right? So you sold right now, let's say it's 60 for the easy, just easy. Say you want to rebuy at 50. Don't forget to place that limit order, because I've seen it happen where people will do that. They'll be like, yep, I'm buying at this level. That level comes, they don't buy, it goes back up, they get caught underwater. It's a risky game, dude. It's a risky game in Bitcoin. It spends a lot of time going down, convincing you to sell. And then at the peak moments of, I should sell this, it's going to keep going down, I'll buy lower. We see the big rips. It leaves everybody in the dust. And really, it's maybe the worst thing to do to yourself. Like, assuming we kick it off to a higher high, an all-time high in Bitcoin, we run. The last thing you want to do is look back at the end of this bull run and say, I sold all of it right before it started, right? That's going to be the worst feeling that I can imagine. Long story short, if you want to do that, do it slowly, in pieces, not all in, not all out. Don't get yourself on a shitty side of the trade where you just get stuck and tilted and, really just get yourself wrecked. That was long. And spot right now, I think it's always a good idea to be DCAing Bitcoin spot. If you're in spot not DCAing, what should you be doing? Honestly, I think this is the time where we're doing nothing. I know. You probably said that last week. Yeah, it probably did, because last week is also probably time to do nothing. A lot of the bull run is doing nothing. And as we continue and as this matures into next year, that's going to become a lesson that everyone is well aware of. Absolutely. What's up, 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭? Revenge trading? Yeah, dude. Getting on the wrong side of the trade leads to revenge trading. Leads to getting wrecked. Bad Fox bringing the alpha. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What's up, the prisoner? Tom, can you please tell dogs? Can you please tell dogs has done breakout or fake out? Well, I assume most things have moved up a little bit today. Kind of just in line with the corn, right? Let me see. We can take a look at dogs probably. What's up? I see some people over on the mobile stream. Philly Skills, J Schwar Boss, M Ninja. Just so you guys know, you're over on the mobile stream. It's for phones. You can join us on the main stream. We got hundreds viewing, chatting. Real talk, smart talk. Oh yeah. Do link. Gold break. Yeah, gold did hit new all-time highs this week. Kind of went under the radar. I don't even think I tweeted about it. Maybe that's a signal. Let's pull up gold here. Gold's still ripping. Wow. Okay. All right. Gold still ripping. I would love to say that gold has been a consistent front runner of Bitcoin breakouts. It just hasn't been quite as correlated as I would like or feel comfortable saying that for. Certainly, gold moving up has been in tandem with Bitcoin, especially like this year. We saw gold break to its all-time high in April. Let's zoom out again. We saw gold break to its all-time high in March, along with the rest of the markets, but gold just continued going, right? This is where the correlation or kind of that thought process breaks down for me, at least for now. Remember, correlations are fleeting. They're fickle. They'll come and go. Right now, I don't think so. Since that March high, where all the other markets topped out, very few things have gone to higher highs yet, whether they're crypto or stocks or whatever. Gold has continued up, putting on a 20% gain, which is actually pretty wild. Yes, it's had pullbacks. Yes, it's had chop. But this, I don't think is like a, gung-ho, like, yep, Bitcoin all-time high, let's go. Because it's just kept pushing up, right? And the timing of which hasn't really lined up, I don't want to say with Bitcoin that well at all. Where's even August 5th? August 5th right here, right? This was the low. We broke the low in August. Gold, higher low, continued up. But gold is looking real spicy. Let me update this gold chart here. We're not going to need nearly all these horizontals anymore. Let's get rid of them. There we go. Beautiful climb here. I wish Bitcoin looked like this. I remember saying that a few weeks ago. Jealous. I have chart envy. Gold resistance slapped price back down just under 2,500 up until August. Mid-August, it broke through, back tested it as support. Now, that is a classic RS or SR flip, resistance to support. Classic TA. We should expect it from gold. However, it has tested that support a few times on the day and weekly timeframes. And so I don't believe that resistance to be too strong if we do see this reverse and sell off. Gold is really just cruising, isn't it? It's in price discovery. I love it. I miss it. Hitting that 1618 extension from our fib tool here at 2,568. Gold's continuing to put on grounds here, and it does look like it's heading for this measured move target, 2,600. I might want to zoom out. There might be some real major extensions that we're not catching here. Let's see. Our biggest, most significant fib on this chart here is from 22 to 23, bringing us that 2,400 target. There was some good confluence here with some of our smaller moves. Our measured move, pretty close here. Our measured move target does sit rather close to our local, maybe not quite close enough. So we're going to describe this as a zone, 2,621 to 2,650-ish. I would be looking, I'm absolutely looking for gold to reach up there, whether it's today, next week, whatever. And as you zoom out, you even then notice an even bigger picture. This is why zooming out provides such important perspective and is so critical to success in trading. 1980 to 2011, our previous gold all-time highs, consolidated for like 10 years. If you attach a trend line, as I have done right here, and then zoom in to price action, which I'm doing for you right now. Make this blue so it's like a little more obvious. There it is. That lines up with our moves pretty damn well. This is some serious confluence. I have extremely strong confidence that gold is moving up to 2,600. Here is kind of where I'm at right now, though. This has been a really parabolic climb for gold. really parabolic. We haven't seen anything like this like in my lifetime. I want to move up there. The faster it is, the more likely I believe it will be to come back down and retest some of these previous resistance levels. Gold is not a rocket ship. It does not tend to move that way. We have untested resistance for support. This will work. This will work. This is just kind of like preliminary. 2,530. There you go. I'd be looking for some kind of downside move, some kind of retracement once we get up to that big old trend line. A lot of confluence there. Can't ignore it. I like it. I like it. Let's go back to the corn here. I said, I don't think we're done yet. I said I wouldn't take this short. Bitcoin approaching its daily high right now in real time. Let's go. Let's go. It's over. In real time, all the way back. I'm going to throw a horizontal up here. Turn it red. Turn it red. 67. Where's this from? The hours. Yep. There it is. The hour. As speculated. Bullish engulfing, boys. Let's go. 60K, 64K this weekend. Fingers crossed. Pray to the spice gods, everyone. The hourly giving us that beautiful engulf. Giving us what we need here. Let's see our extensions. Really, really zoomed in. Really, really local. Boom. 60.1 from our like minutes time frames. 60.3. That's a nice little candle. Let's go. Let's go, go, go. Let's go. What's up, guys, over there? This is the mobile stream. Let's go. Hello from Africa. Hello to Africa. Breaking the trend. Looks to be bullish. I hope so, man. I hope so. Let's see what time it is. 1:46. We got 14 minutes for the hourly candle to wrap up. Where do we need the hourly candle to close above? Right here. Ooh, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. It's getting spicy. You prayed to the spice gods, and your prayers were answered. It's real. It's real. We need the hourly to close in 13 minutes above 59.7 right here. The reason being, boom, that hourly bullish engulf. I want to see this chart. Let's see this 4-hour get its ass in gear here. I want to see this chart close that hourly bullish engulfed. Hells yeah. Hells yeah. Where are we at? We are. A little concerning over here. Our fib we placed back on the 5th or 6th of September. 1618 sitting right here at this level. What other resistance or what other selling might we find here? 60.8. Right up here on the 4-hour. 12-hour right here. Dude, we're at the freaking, we're here. We're at the gates, boys. We're at the gates. Do we knock and go in or do we walk away? Breaking above this level, dude. There's not a lot here on the 12-hour. Pretty inefficient drop down. Just red candles. Not a lot of bouncing. Not a lot of efficiency in the market. Daily now at the highest point. We haven't seen a close above this level since last month. All daily resistance, at least from our horizontals, looking cleared. Ooh, it could be getting spicy. It's time to put this fib back on. No, son of a bitch. All right, so, yep, we got a little bit going on here. I know I took this fib off the chart a while ago because I was like, I don't know when this will happen. Here we are at the 618. This is it. This is it. I think we reject here for the day, or we keep moving. We break through. We plow through kind of this inefficiency above us. We head towards that green quarter target. 62.7. Sitting just above that, as we talked about in the beginning of the SOD here, the 200 daily, the boss looming, the price to retake. If bulls can retake 64K, I think it's good night for the bears. Yeah, there'll be red candles after that. It's not only up, but I think it'll be good night for this trend. Let's see how this rolls, boys. Only goats like the stream. Smash it, boys. That's right, Donkey. How you doing, my friend? Your EROUSD. What's that, Dadley? What's up, Forex hacker? Gold, 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 gold. Yep, we've been looking at gold, 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 gold. We just did gold. Gold's chilling out right now. Still looking very strong. I just got an alert. That's good news. This is what we're looking for on gold. There'll be timestamps after the live. You can go back and check out your favorite charts, but I'm not sure if we have time for that. What just went off? Bitcoin 59.9. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Little red coming in to ruin our parade, but we won't let them. Resistance. Found support. Higher high. Where are we going next? Back to the hour. Oh, bitch. 9 minutes. I almost want to just keep this up for the next 9 minutes. That won't be very exciting. This is what I'm watching right now. If you take one thing away in this real-time moment, I'm watching the next 9 minutes to close bullish engulfed on this hour. If we close back down under 59.7, which is totally possible, we're seeing this happen in our faces right now. These yellows. Let me make this one not yellow. These yellows. If we see a close below on the hour, we're going to have lost that, and I think that will spell a lessened momentum into the end of today. It's a nail biter. There we are. Lost the hour, but the hour is still open. Now, no longer rejecting that bullish engulf. Ooh, it's getting exciting. I feel like a sports announcer. No, get up there. Get up there. You have one strategy, Ali Sher Khan. What's that strategy, bro? What's your one strategy? What's up, Decon Nick? Think we have a dip next week, like back down to 56? We'll see how today closes, man. We'll see how today closes. 56. It's kind of low. It's kind of low. I feel like if we do see 56, like this weekend or next week, that we're not moving right back up to the top. We're not going to continue, at least in the short term. I think we'll see some stalled out momentum. The 1 minute, God, this couldn't be any more intense. This could not be any more nail biting than it is right now. Let's just like throw some random trend lines up here so it looks like we're doing something. Let's see. Could be like a little bull flag that actually broke to the upside, question mark. All right, we hit the 618. This is about as low as I want to see this go over the next 8 minutes. I do not want to see this wick broken. 59,550. We moved up. We came back to the 618. Battling it out for this hourly close at 59.7. Oh, this is intense. I feel like I haven't had a moment on the chart like this in a while where I like actually cared what happened in like a low time frame close. There it is. There she goes. Back up. Oh, look at that. The 618 bouncing price. This yellow line, that bullish engulfing hourly. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. These wicks stopping out some late longers. Baiting in the contrarian shorters. Let's go. 6 minutes. These are the longest 6 minutes of my life, dude. Come on. Come on. 2 minute close. I like this 2 minute chart. I never looked at the 2 minute. I don't think ever in my life. I like these candles. Order blocks on the way up. Elevator down. Find support at that order block. Start painting green. This is all we have to hold. That's it. That's it. What is region to its crest? Heart killer. I have no idea what that means, my guy. But I appreciate you. Feels like this cycle will end sooner rather than later. And if you believe that to be true, then I don't know why you wouldn't have said the cycle is over in March, right? Hello from Antarctica. Tamine 138. LARPing about living in Antarctica. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. That'd be cool if you were. That'd be cool if you were. But wants to look at link. We'll look at link. We're going to do the altcoin charts in 6 minutes. I just want to see this close. Moggy promoting the hub. What's up, Brutal Metal? Thoughts on us being mainly in an uptrend for roughly 690 days. When the last bull cycle was only 600 days of up. It depends where you measure it from, Brutal. That's the big that's the big thing. Whenever it comes to like a 4-year cycle, or even looking at like, you know, this many days, how many days, it depends where you measure from. That's what's going to be important. That's almost certainly the explanation to what you're asking here. Couldn't tell you those days off the top of my head how many, the count, but I could tell you that there's just different ways that you could view when the bull market started, right? When did the bull market start? Did it start in November? Did it start January of 23? Did it start when we broke the all-time high? It's all about kind of where you're measuring from. A 5 minute doesn't look bad. God. It could not be any more suspenseful, Bitcoin. My loud. Keep moving the chart as if that's going to like move the price. What's up, King Peasant? How you doing, bro? Thoughts on ABT? We'll get to alts in literally 4 minutes. The bull run hasn't started, says Janix. Exactly. Not that I necessarily believe that myself, but exactly, it's all about where you're measuring. Are you measuring from the lows? Are you measuring from the highs? It's all kind of objective. What's up, God's Word Daily? You think it's forming a reversal pattern here? It could be. It easily could be. If it closes below 59.7, I am on boat with you. I'm on board under 59.7 for this hour. Really hoping we get the bullish engulf close after the higher high. If we don't, I think we end up seeing this 4-hour candle close just like that. And while that's not bearish or bad, it won't make for the most exciting stream, unfortunately. 3 minutes, 40 seconds to go. What's up, Crypto Cat? You always measure it from the halving. See, there you go. There's another, and this isn't, I'm not coming at you, but there's another kind of arbitrary point of measurement. They're all kind of arbitrary points. I'll just leave it there. I'll leave it there. What's up, Paul Stafford, my man? Deacon Nick, sure hope so. Me too. Science of Spirit. You are short to 58,770. Let's see. Our short's still technically alive here. Not looking too stupid now. Not looking dumb now. I said I wouldn't take this one, so if it plays out, I guess I am looking stupid. Long looking at 58.5 if we get a rejection here. Hold up. What did I just do? Hit the wrong thing. Hold up, hold up. Bear with me, guys. Updating the chart here. Coming in 2 minutes and 30 seconds for this big close. You were tuned in at the right time. You found this channel. Do me a favor. Go ahead, tap that screen, hit the like button, subscribe, share, engage, vote in the poll, put a message in the live chat. Do all those goodies. We need all of the engagement we can get right now. We need to bring all the boys to the yard, and I'm out of milkshakes. I've made 2 milkshake references today. It's not like me. It's very unlike me. 3 minutes, 2 minutes to go. Let me see. We got Zaid. What's up, Zaid, my guy? Subscribing. How you doing? Welcome to the fam. City Games. Joining the crew. Shohag Hussan. G-Thin Thomas. What's up, man? Handsome last name. Handsome surname. Ahmed Iyad. Ahmed Ali. Pickle. Gifting out those memberships. I didn't even catch that. Didn't even catch it. I'm just burning time. Literally, we have 1 minute, 40 seconds for this close, and I'm watching. What else? Pickle. Memberships. Crimson. Tony Rose Sauce. Mike McCarthy. I need my Bitcoin. Winning them. Hell yeah. What's up? Ahmad Fasal. Subscribed. We've got quite a few subscribers. Not quite as many as last stream, but keep them coming. If you subscribe during the live, you'll see just like it did. Roll over in real time. It's very interactive. What's up, Viren? Cat M. Kane S. Anselmo. Didi. Nicole Barbie. Nicole Barbie, another lady. No, Bitcoin, you're going the wrong damn way. Sunchips, AAVE looking decent. I didn't catch that super chat. Thank you, my friend, for the 5. We'll look at AAVE. Upsama subscribed during live. Wow, actually a lot more. I've been missing them. What's up? Bimini boy, 87. Hello, 81. Welcome to the club. We're just watching this hourly candle close. We have seconds to go, and then we're going to turn over to the altcoin charts, man. There you are, Shohag. What's up, brother? What up? Mike Bennett, you're over on that mobile stream, just so you know. What is the specific time the week closes? At 8 p.m. East. Or 0 UTC on Sunday. Again, another arbitrary point of measurement. Is what it is. What's up, Alex O Crypto? Shout out to you, my friend. Working hard over there on your YouTube channel. What's up, Jen? Can you get us more milkshakes, please? We're out of them. You buy 721 every week. Don't vape or you unsub. Dude, I don't care. You can unsub. This is my stream, bro. You're my guest. You're welcome to leave. No. 4 seconds to go, and I'm getting cock blocked here. We got candle blocked. We got candle blocked. It's not the end of the world. I mean, can't keep running, but like, damn, I was really looking for that strong close here after that top wick, showing us sellers have come in at this price. Bulls battling it out, man. That was good. That was so exciting. It's all right. It's all right. Let's examine the damage. 5 minute, a little bit of weakness, a little bit of rolling over. Same on the 10, same on the 15. A little bit better uptrend on the 15. 30, 45, 60, 120, the 2 hour. Not the strongest close, man. That 2 hour is giving us juicies. 2 hour just closed here on our rejected bullish engulf hourly. Not a beautiful doji here. A little shooting star reversal on the 2 hour pattern. That's okay. That is okay. Life will go on. All right, leave it on the 15. Let's do some alts. I need to place alerts, so if anything happens, I'll know. But let's do some alts. Remember people asking for link? You got cucked by 60. Yeah, we did. That resistance is last week's high. Is it? Kinda. I mean, it's not far. 59.8 versus 59.99. I mean, that's like not even 1% difference. Not a bad take. Not a bad take. Slightly higher high, though. Link, SCY, I pulled up, but I didn't really look at it. What's up, Free Will Link? All right. You spend $50 to stay carbon neutral. For what? What's up, Joe H? How you doing, brother? Car. Deacon Nick, been holding off buying alts. That's probably a wise choice, my friend. We can talk about when to buy alts here. Elliott Wave guys you follow keep calling for another drop, but Deacon Nick, I will tell you, as a man who has live streamed through 2 bull runs and has been through 3 bull runs. 3 bull runs? Yeah, 3 bull runs. Losing track of time. I will say that I am not an Elliott Wave fan. I have a great video on Elliott Wave. I think there's value there to Elliott Wave. You can check it out after the live in our free trading course. However, in my 8 years of watching this space, I have always noticed that the Elliott Wave people always end up being the people waiting for that pullback before the bull run starts. They're always waiting for that like 1, 2, 3, 4 pullback. I don't even know off the top of my head. The ABC, whatever. They're always waiting for it, and they're always talking about how we're going to see downside, and they're always left in the dust. Doesn't mean Elliott Wave isn't good. Doesn't mean it can't work. Maybe that's just like part of people are learning. They find Elliott Wave, it makes sense to them, and it just doesn't tango the best with the corn. I don't know. We'll look at link here. Mel's Roy F. We got the bots back. Let's see. Whenever somebody comes in, we've seen people ask for this one before. This guy comes in, only says this. Yeah, that's a real account. Let's see. Another one. Is this a real account? I bet you guys didn't know that this exists now. We can go and see what you've said. So watch what you say. Guy, just that. Copy pasta message. Yeah, dude, we're not looking at that. We're not looking at it. You guys, you don't have to hide them or anything. I'll just add their BS to the filter. It's all right. FTM. Good FTM. What's up, Brendan? Bitcoin pump just in time for the season. Oh, yeah. Very oh, yeah. Ooh, I see why you guys want to look at link. Our link analysis. That's a spicy meatball there. We were looking for link from 950 to 1250 for a 21% gain, a 4.6 to 1 risk to reward, a hell of a risk to reward to close there in profit. I need to make this less visible. It's bothering me. Okay. There we go. A hell of a position to close in profit. There we go. I like that. Link moving up. 1250's resistance. If I was in this long position, I'd probably look to shave it off there. Even here at 1130 is our 618 retracement, our golden Fibonacci retracement level. Market seems oh so fond of that. Let's check out our indicators here. Momentum on MACD. I should add MACD back to the charts. I love this histogram. Also have a great video on MACD. check it out in the playlist. Okay, no divergence here on daily RSI. Kind of interesting. Money flow still looking really crappy. What this kind of reads to me as is Link filling some of its inefficiency, coming down, hitting a solid support at 950. But we're seeing profit taking into this rally. That might be a very good explanation, or I don't know. A very good reason to be looking to take profit here at 1150. That might line up really well. These weekly candles, nice little reverse doji here, leading us into some green. If you're maybe a little late to the trade or looking for a little bit higher on Link, 1211 at that weekly open after this doji candle might not be a bad target. I still am more confident in that 1150 being the close here. Weekly, wow, cutting it close. This money flow trending down to that zero line. It's going to take a little bit of a miracle. Momentum on the week waning off here as our red histogram candles turn dark red, showing us decreasing selling momentum. Let's see, what else can we do about it? You guys, you really don't, you don't need to time them out. Here, I'll just add it to the filter and then they can't do it anymore. How's Solana doing, Mems? We can take a look at Solana then. What's up? Thought it was Friday. It is Friday. Good name. Good afternoon from New York City. People were saying midway through September. Let's see what happens. Where's Gina? By the way, great reminder, fam. Thank you, Umair. Gina will be joining us in less than 1 week. Not even a whole week. FOMC on Wednesday, scheduled. Mark your calendars. Click notify me. Don't miss it. I got distracted. I'm adding this to the filter list. Hold up, just so we don't have to time out all those accounts. Or hide them, block them, whatever. Let me get in here. It takes 1 second. We won't have to worry about those spammers anymore. Goodbye. Goodbye. Done. All right, no more. We don't have to hear them anymore. Awesome. Let's go to the month on Link here, just to kind of wrap it up. Higher low on the month, green monthly candle for Link. Let's see where that monthly opened. I'm not even familiar. $11. Okay, $11. This is a price point on the chart we want to add. Boom. Go back down to the day. Let's see how this looks. Right here. Today is going to look to close the first day green in quite some time. Closing above $11 on the daily today will give us that. Our first green close in September, it looks like. Correct? Correct. Selling off below $11 before today's daily close, going to be a very nasty signal. Very nasty signal. I do not want to see that happen. If Link loses 11 bucks, closes down, it's likely moving to that 950 target again. We've seen a lot of coins do this recently. I don't want to see Link do that. I don't want to see higher or lower highs mixed with a flat bottom of support. That support has already been very much tested. Very much tested. I would not be confident in it bouncing price again on a retest. Damn, this is going to slap. I think this hits. I feel like this hits today. What do you guys think? Our nice clear uptrend. Beautiful little V shaping up. RSI where I want it. Money flow on the hour. Right where I want it. 4 hour looks good. Link might go for it. Link might go for it. We have to probably turn back to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin eats shit today before close, that's probably the case for Link, but recovering at least a little bit so far. All right, Link, I got my alert set. Link's looking good. Someone asked about Solana. Let me pull up Solana. We haven't checked in on Sol. We'll have to check in on ETH. Ethereum was looking absolute dog shit. Absolute dog shit earlier this week. Hopefully that's changed. What's up, Michael Norris? What about our algo? What algo? What algo? Lux Algo. Great sponsor of this channel. Sign up with my link, get a free trial. Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, we can look at Bitcoin dominance. All right, we'll do Sol and then Bitcoin dominance. Good call. I wanted to actually do dominance second, but I got very distracted by the pump, by that hourly close. Sol pegging itself as a stable coin, it seems, lately. Trading still in between 144 and 126. We did look for a long on some stream recently. Unfortunately, that long got stopped out by 64.59 by 6 cents. That's some bullshit. By 6 cents. All right. Target for that long, 144.15. That'll give us a 2.75 to 1, 12% upside, risking a 4% drawdown. What else is going on with this chart? There's a lot of confluence there. A lot of confluence at 144. Great spot to look to take profit if you're in a position. We had support here on lower time frames before we broke down, held that low. Now moving back up, looking for that 618 retracement, lines us up at 144. Solana has the piper to pay back up here around the 160 mark. Let's say like 162 up here. This double top pattern, equal highs, rejected into a lower low. We're gonna have some profit takers or some sellers on a retest of 162. Okay, then line up 62. See this day, just so sideways, man. The charts are so sideways, you'll notice I have to keep correcting the scales because when I auto them, it just looks like ant text. It's just squished. Low, lower, low. Lower, high, lower, higher, low. Ooh, we're going to need some help here. Let me throw on some, where are we at? Where are we at? There's all of our moving averages. Solana, finally. I remember talking about how Solana was one of the few coins last month that didn't have a death cross on the daily time frame. I have not checked up on yet enough, apparently, because Solana performed that exact death cross September 6th of this month. That 200-day sitting right in between our 144 target and resistance at 162, the 50 coming on down to that 144, offering up liquidity at both of those values. Both of those values. Got all the moving averages above it, though. That is intimidating. Intimidating here. Lots of liquidity, lots of profit taking likely going to happen at those moving averages. Solana is kind of mirroring Bitcoin here with its daily candle trading above the 20, but it's not quite as pronounced, not quite as confident. Not quite feeling it. Not quite yet. Daily momentum rolling over, but still a little questionable. Solana does have some bullish divergence here. Candle closes, came down. RSI lows came up on the day. Maybe the precursor to this little green we're seeing. What about our week? Coming up at weekly previous support 137. I don't even have that on my chart. JV moves by me, man. RSI lows coming down here, but candle closes not. Maybe bullish divergence on the week. I kind of want to redo that profit taking target at 150. That might be a better number. Go to the month quick. Holding the higher low. Yeah, 144. I think that's even probably part of their logic. I'm going to stick with 144. Previous monthly supports was broken last month. Now we're coming back up to test that liquidity. From support to resistance. Solana has a good way to go, man. Not quite excited about it yet. Personally. It's not looking bad, though. I think it sees more upside over the weekend. Bitcoin trading sideways in typical Bitcoin fashion. We're going to look at Bitcoin dominance here in a second. What's up, Snipe X Trader? Bitcoin bullish in all caps. Right on. Right on. What's up, Zan Kang? ICP. Derek Merrill over on the short stream. What's up, bro? Aladim, how you doing, my friend? Mems expects a Solana retrace again before making a big rally. Have you guys noticed a theme in the comments today? A lot of theme in the comments. People looking for retracements, not just on Bitcoin, but on pretty much everything. I like that. I like price go up. People talk about price going down. That means people are on the wrong side of the trade. People are on the wrong side of the trade. Tend to see continuation. I like it. Bitcoin dominance. Last month closed its highest point since 2021. This month, no higher high yet, but holding on to a green candle. This is the reason I've been saying I don't think buying alts is quite the time. Not quite yet. Got to see this show some weakness. For the 6th week in a row, Bitcoin dominance has consolidated or accumulated. Technically isn't, but at 57% here. Right now, this week, reaching back to the top of that range in the high 57%. However, we've seen this happen the last 3 weeks in a row, and they ended up closing lower. So that should be on our radar into this weekend. I do like this daily candle though. Another higher low here, going back to that top resistance, testing it again. I think this weekend, weakening it, and potentially then looking to continue. Maybe into the end of September. But that might be an August surprise. We'll find out. I only had Diet Coke today for caffeine. That's probably why I'm a little sluggish. I don't really drink Diet Coke. I just found them. And I was like, I'll drink them. I need caffeine. Money flow looking pretty strong here, even after putting in a lower low, coming right back up. Momentum up, VWAP up, dude. I send it. Sends the dominance. Send it. Oh, look at bad. Look at bad at all. Chilling. This is exactly what I was worried about. I told you guys if we didn't get the bullish engulf close on the hour, probably just going to see this 4 hour end up closing just like this. This little indecision candle. Red body after a big green bodied candle. High wick, low wick, settling up with not a lot of volatility right there in the middle. And it does seem to be the case. Seems to be what's happening. Lower low. Higher low, higher low. Higher low, higher high. Go up. Keep going up. You had me jazzed. I want to be jazzed. It's Friday. Sats. What about sats? You want me to take a look at the chart? You play Hamster Combat. I've never heard anyone say that. Spiro says render. What's my call before the end of year? New all-time high on Bitcoin. That's my call. CTRY. I don't know what that is. What's up, Davintic? Hello to you, my friend. Hello. SUI. A lot of you were looking at SUI. I know Jen was looking at SUI. We did have a nice trade. Again, so this is the beginning. Trades start hitting. Usually reflects a certain condition in the market. That's all I'm going to say. Trade from Wednesday on SUI. A nice 24% gain. We were looking for that test of $1. We got it. Rock and roll. From 76 to $1. Nice. What are we looking at here? We have a slightly higher high on the day versus the previous, but it's still a lower high versus August 12th. It's kind of a confusing setup here. Money flow on the day. Green, but not the greenest. Not the most green. If you're bullish on SUI, you might be tempted to go long right now. I can't stop you. But there might be a better entry just below $1. Maybe just above 95 cents. Probably take 97 just to be careful. Today's wick low did go to 99, very close. Actually, very close. Might just play that to the top of August's high. What do we get? R to R wise, like 1-to-1. That by itself shows me I don't like this trade. I don't like those low risk to rewards. That could be played somewhere, somehow like that. I have an idea. Let's invert the chart. Let's invert the chart. That looks pretty bearish when you invert it. That looks pretty damn bearish. I could certainly see a move back to like 76, but this is like a blow off top that didn't go anywhere. It got sold into, created a lower low, and now you have this weak price action. That chart's inverted, so that might be bullish. That's a very pretty V kind of shape developing here. I want to go to a higher time frame out of curiosity. SUI actually closed last month green. Not quite as high as last month, obviously, but a nice solid green monthly candle building. 17 days to go. Weekly kind of battling it out here. I think that $1 target is really the whole show into this weekend for SUI. Close a candle on the week above $1 and set your sights on 125. I think that is the logical next move to the upside. It's our next point. Let's see. An order block there. Was your all-time high close, I guess. 125. It's a good target. But I need to see that weekly above $1. because we've done this dance here. Even in August, when we had our highest point here in the last few weeks, we sold off, closed red. The next week rallied, but could not hit a higher high. Closed high, and now we've been struggling kind of with that pressure. So a close above the end of August's candles, which is just conveniently $1, I think is going to be that signal for further upside, targeting even higher numbers. And I'm liking 125. I'm liking 125. It's your 618 retracement. It's your previous all-time high close. Nice little zone here. It's like 125 down to 120, something like that. All right, SUI. AAVE, I said I'd look at as well. Let's look at AAVE. I don't want to go too long without checking in. What's up, Vic Aram? Tom, how do you start reading the charts like me? Start watching. Start watching analysts, start watching traders, start absorbing all the info you can. I have a free trading course on this YouTube channel. There is no paid version. It's all free. I would say start there. After the show, pop it open. There's like 20 plus videos on different topics. It's a great resource. Really great resource. Okay, AAVE with the higher high versus March. Interesting. I think I asked you guys this last stream. AAVE broke its March high. Do you guys, what other coins have done this? Anybody? Anybody know? Anybody know other coins that have broken past March's high right now? I can't name them off the top of my head. That's interesting. That's very, very interesting. I'd like to see some others. Weekly, hit that higher high into that 150. Looking for any close on the week above 136 for AAVE. That'll be solid. Money flow coming up, looking strong. Would not be betting down. Ooh, and then you just get something you don't want. You don't want to see it. Feeling good about a chart. You're like, man, that's nice and bully. And then you get something you don't want. Look at this 200 week. Even as far back as May of 2022. Price lost the 200 week, rejected from it again in August of 22. Came all the way back up to it in March of this year. Here we are again. Again, at the same moving average. This is what I guess this is what we want for Bitcoin on the day, not the week. Scratch that. Not very bullish to be stuck underneath it. Along here is a bet that AAVE is going to retake the 200 and then probably put on some serious upside gains. I think it does look strong, but I do not like that 200 being right there. That is some serious resistance. It's not really a surprise to me why we saw selling kind of come in a little earlier than we expected. Five. I say. I might redo this. I think I'm going to go actually this way with it. Right here. Very substantial. Support flip to resistance. Broken. Could be looking again to retest 135. Currently at 143. Upside is going to be hard though, man. Are you going to bet it's going to blast through the 200? That's like just a low probability bet. Let's just take 172, something like that. $80. I like this though. I might take this trade. If AAVE trades back to 135, I might take this trade. I don't know exactly how I'll do it. I placed out this kind of potential with your stop loss just below September 8th's low. Take profit up here, 172. That's going to take some fine tuning, some tweaking. But there's a trade there. I'll find it. Trust me, I'll find it. What else do I have pulled up? XRP at 56 cents still. Surprising, not a single person in the audience. That's okay. Jupe has not traded to 66 cents yet. We're looking for a 66 cent Jupe, maybe lower, but it has also not really done anything that's convincing me it isn't still gonna do that. I haven't seen any higher highs. We're coming off a lower low. Got a little green candle, but it hasn't really gotten that fire underneath it quite yet. I'll put an alert. Any position on Jupe, I think potentially could be ridden to $1. I think it'd be a great take profit target. Might take a while. BNB I have pulled up. How's this doodle for you? We doodled this. Lord knows, like all the way back here, early August, looking for that retest of the previous high before we broke low, previous high in July, before we broke low, retested, rejected, higher low, BNB climbing right back up. I think this is a good bet. I think that's a good bet. I think BNB is looking right back to the top of its yearly price here. At this point, the entry kind of gone, but maybe you could be looking at like 511, maybe as low as 500 flat. We'll see what happens with the rest of the market. If it gets choppy, there might be another entry on the BNB. But no. Doge, another one I pulled up. Dogecoin at 10 cents, man. Doge has seen better days, but I do believe it's slowly starting to shape up here. Slowly starting. While I've had some complaints about it in the past, I like this climb. Higher high, higher low, higher high, back to just, again, that previous high as support. I think 25 cents from here could be a difficult target. Could be a hard sell. But there are definitely targets near here that I think are very likely. For instance, 12.6 cents, incredibly likely. It's still like a 25% move for Doge to the upside. For Doge to the upside. Go. Testing that high trend, putting in a higher low. I think Doge is going to make some upside gains either this weekend or even into next week. Doge BTC pair. So I was actually talking to Chris Pratt about this on his live stream. I was like, yo, man, check this out. Doge essentially against BTC has been my biggest complaint about why I just don't feel bullish yet. If you were here, we nailed Doge. I was bullish on Doge before Elon even knew what it was. And I've just been kind of hands off of it lately. I still love Doge as a project. Still in my wheelhouse of things I love. But I've been a little skeptical, and that's because of its BTC pair. It has not been able, or at least hasn't shown strength in that BTC pair. Honestly, it's like since that SNL skit from Elon Musk, May of 21, hit its all-time high, and it has just fallen and bled and fallen and bled, painting lower lows and lower highs. But this is catching my eye here, not confirmed. Ooh, we got some memberships and stuff. What's up, Troy? Soul, we looked at Soul. What's up, Rick Benner? We're watching Tom. I'm watching you, bud. Ivo, Najika, what's up, bro? Doge, basically double bottomed here on the monthly time frame. Closed this month, tested, closed higher. We have a green month now. We haven't made enough progress here in September to get truly excited. But it is kind of refreshing. If you look back to this just beating, it's just consistently lower lows on the months. This is the first sign, the first piece that we might be seeing a reversal on Doge BTC. If you look at RSI, even on the monthly time frame, you'll see lower candle closes coupled with a higher RSI. That is bullish divergence on the monthly time frame. You go down to the week and you see a very similar story. While that divergence is technically not there, you can still see it kind of reflected here. Kind of reflected with this much higher RSI. That's a different kind of RSI analysis. But you can kind of see it there. I see it there. I think that looks rather nice. We go down to the day and then we'll move on. Down to the day, here we are. Look at that. This is your lowest point in RSI all the way back in March of 23. Nope, sorry. Correct that. March of 23 again. I just moved the mouse. Lowest point in RSI. You continued lower over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Yet RSI continually putting in higher lows. This is building some crazy divergence. I don't know when it's going to break out, but when it does, I think it's going to look to maybe not go to new all-time highs, but it's going to look to make some pretty sizable moves pretty quickly. Like a 350% gain, I can see that happening on Doge BTC under the right conditions. Lord knows when, but we have the first little inkling, something to pay attention to. Bitcoin doing nothing. What happens if Bitcoin breaks 60K? We party. We party hardy. You know. That's what you're thinking? Hell yeah, nostalgic. Someone asked about render. Let's take a peek at render. Our local top call on render at 626 played out very well. The retracement, not quite as well. I opened a live trade probably the end of August here on render. I got stopped out. However, the bigger picture trade still open here. I don't know if you round trip that, good for you. Still looking decent. Let's take a peek. 432 and 447. Where does that come from? I'm gonna guess a monthly order block. There it is, monthly order block. I know my charts. Monthly order block right over here. Tested very perfectly this month. Interesting. Still don't see that upside action I want yet. I know I've warned you guys, if render closes, I'll say a weekly, but a monthly for sure candle under 432, it's probably, well, it is almost certainly looking to retest August low, but with high confidence would be looking for like even 250. So your 618 retracement right here, untested resistance as support. That would be a logical place for it to go. You could have a very bullish bounce for render from that level. It's not guaranteed to come, but if it does, I might open along at 250, because that will be a very technical place to look. What's going on with our indicators? Money flow on the day rolling over. I like that. Nice and bullish. RSI a little different from some of the charts that we've looked at. We're seeing those lows come up, and I'm seeing the bulls push that RSI back to the 50 or above 50. I like it. I like it. Let's throw our fib on. We have identified here at least a low time, well, not low time frame, a local reversal. That Doge candle led price up to higher highs and higher lows. Now trading sideways right at our $5 entry. There may be time for people who want to take this trade again. Kind of wondering what's holding this down, though. I think that looks good. $35. 4 hour. Low time frames here. I am liking what's building. It looks like multiple tests of resistance. Each time buyers coming in higher. We just retested again that local high. It's like 528. Want to see that $5 low hold, that entry? That might have been, that's actually convenient. This 4 hour candle might have been the last $5 entry on here. If it's not, and we see this trade under 5 again, I'm not as confident. I'm no longer really looking for that same position. If you lose or even retest that low, you might be set up for this. Losing your ascending trend, falling low, back testing it, looking lower. So this trade might be reinvigorated, actually, re-energized. After swinging, stopping me out. That's what the market loves to do. Loves to stop me out so that you guys can win. Total crypto market cap having a spicy week here. Slightly higher high versus last week at that true 2 trillion mark. This was our major support from the sell-off in March, 2 trillion. It was also, on the monthly time frame, major resistance in the last bear market. Take a look at that quick. This was our lower high. After coming off of our all-time high, lower high, straight down, send it. Found support at previous all-time high resistance, acted as support. We climb back up. And here we are, tangling with 2 trillion. We didn't quite reach 1.58 trillion. Interesting. We hit 1.7. If you don't believe Bitcoin is going to go back up in this quarter or next quarter, if you think we're going to keep seeing markets sell off, your opinion is valid. It's not my opinion, but it's valid. Probably then we'll be targeting that 1.58 trillion. Seeing a 1.58 trillion total crypto market cap, I think would be a good signal that entries are here or coming. That's so, it's stressful, man. We're right back to that monthly previous support. It's resistance now, right? Right back there. At the same time, Bitcoin doing this, giving us a heart attack, man. At the same time. Right back. Right at our daily resistances from late August. Right at our 618 retracement from our August high to September low, right there. This is nail-biting territory, man. Absolute nail-biting territory. Total hitting that monthly resistance. Bitcoin up against this retracement and resistance. Ugh. This is it's either gonna pop the off or man, it's going to get real bloody. Let's take a look at our 𝐂𝐴𝐺 cloud on the day. We haven't looked at this in quite a bit. We had our weakness in the cloud here, and I was really confident we were going to see a pop through it. We didn't get that. See, it doesn't happen every time. It just happens a good amount. We got a cross down below the cloud, the very bearish, actually, daily signal back on the 3rd of September that I missed. Into the higher low, now back to the cloud. Wow. Wow. The cloud on the day is not helpful right now. It's all at the same price. It's all at 59.5. Yo, my man Crypto Face is here. How you doing, brother? How you doing? How you doing on these green candles? I saw you were long earlier this week. Well done. Well done, my friend. I think we continue breaking up. I think we got more uppy. I think we got more upside. I think we close strong today. If we do anything other than nothing this weekend, I think we trend towards 64,000. That's where I'm looking. 15 minutes. I'm still liking this. I like don't want to end the stream because I know every time I end the stream, it does something. It's like clockwork. But I don't want to miss this. We went live and like it was already retracing, slowly moving back up. Like I want this move. I want to be live for it. 60.9K is the top, says Hassan. Very exact, very precise. Thank you. Storming the Castle. Love the channel, Tom. Thank you, my friend. Seriously, favorite crypto streamer in all of the interwebs. I appreciate you. You are my favorite Storming the Castle in all of the interwebs. What's up, PHX? David Gorashavel. Looking at that gold chart. Yeah, buddy. We were looking at it for quite some time today. Gold having a jolly Friday. A jolly, jolly Friday. I did warn you guys, though, a little bit. Maybe I'll put it in different words here. Gold doesn't usually move like this. Gold really doesn't usually move like this. This is looking a little blow off toppy. I'm not necessarily saying the end of the rally forever for gold or something. But I am saying that I think it moves to 2,600 and then I think we see a spooky retracement. There's a lot of confluence here, man. All the way back 40-ish years to get that high to 2011 brings us right to where we're headed, I think, right up here. 2,621, 2,650. Honestly, just following this trend line very closely. It'll be the 3rd time ever it's been tested. Breakthrough there. I mean, here's what gold going nuts would look like. A break through that trend line, coming on back, moving higher. That would be like the parabolic gold signal. What I think is going to happen is probably more like that, right? Hit the trend line, retrace, find support, see what happens next. He answered your question. I didn't even see your question. What was your question, bro? Tom, you cannot close the stream without reading Crypto Face's super chat. Oh, my bad, bro. I don't know what's going on with my stuff. I am not getting these notifications. It's like not letting me go. I also see RSK Risknor gifted out 10 memberships. My guy, you're making Bitcoin pump with your good works. Real Rude subscribed. Where is it? Yo, yo, yo. We thinking higher on Bitcoin or is it done? I'm thinking higher, brother. I'm thinking higher. What are you thinking? What you thinking? Surface. Are you long or you short? What's up, MMS? Don't leave us. Okay. Guru says 61.6 max. I'm seeing a lot of people saying the top max. A lot of crystal ballers out there. Crystal ball hard, my friends. You want to let me get a hit of that crystal ball? Maybe I can make some good content. What's up, Bully Berry? Thanks on you bullish. Yeah. Are you surprised? I'm always bullish, my friend. He wants the super chat read out loud. I did get it. My bad. Let me give that a heart. I wish I could give a heart to the gifted subs. What's up, Axel XX? Who quality crypto? We did it. We did it, guys. We're on the moon. We made it. We made it to the moon finally together. What's up, Eamon? How you doing, bro? B4 Crypto's here. Another YouTuber. You can go check him out. What's up, brother? Cody, Corn Sullied CMG, Crypto Face, the man himself, hanging out with us in the chat. Hell yeah. Digibite, what's up, bro? DJG, Eddie. How you doing, Eddie? Ferret, Gary Kaufman. Who else I miss? Juicy Ray. What's up, M Stone? M Stone, what are you reading today? We need some of our OG analysts to lend us their ear. Mike Bennett, MMS, Mob vs. Ballot Box. Yeah. Don't eat cats. Did you guys hear that cats and like eat the cats and dogs song? It's actually pretty good. What's up, Mr. Days? NBF Forum, Nostalgic, Nick Young, Paul Wood, Real Rider, Sergio. What's up, Sergio? Silent 45, how you doing? Stymie, Stony. What's up, Stony? TJ, Tallboy, White Knight. We got a lot of people. Got a lot of fams. What's up, Sylv? Radix. What are you planning for long and short? I got some crappy positions open. Showed him earlier, but that was like an hour ago. Let's see if I can find him. Got some little crappers open. This is like $1,000 position. Nice little profit on there. Little profit on there. Not too bad. Stop in profit. A little bigger one here. This is still not really huge. It's not really that big. Opened long at 57.78. Not the best. Still got that short lumen all the way up there. Let's liquidate it. Absolutely liquidate it. You know, now that I look at this chart, I'm starting to wonder if we get a lower high and then a higher low again. I'm pretty in the 64K camp right now, but let me see something. Just got a little different perspective here. Green month. These are old. These are from the previous month. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. I'll fix it later. Can't do this while live. Kind of, let me see. Let me see what this would look like. There we go. This would suck. And as I say it out loud, I feel like it's becoming true because this is what would suck. Say 61.5. 63.7. 60K. That would suck. I don't think this plays out. Honestly, I think we could see like a fake pop, fake break to the upside, back into the trend. Maybe we get like a real harsh reversal, the opposite. A little fake break of the flag and then move in the other direction. Bitcoin, let's go. Let's go, corn, let's go. That short's still open now underwater. I said I wouldn't take it. I said, I don't know why you'd be shorting into this right now. But still alive. Our side good. Money flow good. Damn. Man, this could take all day. Or it could take all day. Or it could happen right now. I vote for right now. Do you guys vote for right now? Let's do it. What's up, Rockstar Cola? Super chat. I'm bad at reading super chats. Got 1,000 votes on the poll. 41% of us. Let's take a peek here. 41% of us looking for a pump through the weekend. 38% of us looking for a dump in this weekend. That's pretty balanced. If you haven't voted, please get your votes in. If you haven't clicked these placebo buttons, go ahead and click them with me here. They do something, maybe. Breaking out, DJG. We're on the 1 minute, brother. We're on the 1 minute. Gotta keep reserved on the 1 minute. 1 second. Here we go, to the moon. Make sure you guys have joined the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. I should have done a vote. I don't know. Do you guys want to do a little drinky, bowly, chart trade chat in the Discord voice tonight? Little Friday party. It's on the table. I keep asking you guys and you keep not wanting to do them. So I don't know. Dude, my guy, RSKnor, another 20 memberships. My guy. Let's go. Let's go. If you want to get one of these, they are randomly assigned when people gift them. Make sure you're subscribed. You've liked the live stream. Put a message in the chat. Shared. I don't know. Engaged. YouTube says if you engage with the live that they're gifted in, you're more likely to get them. You have to also opt into them for a reason I can't explain. Damn, my friend. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mike J. Do you ever play around with the 30-second chart? Nah. Yeah, I hardly fuck with a 1 minute chart. I got the 1 second chart up here as I'm saying that though, so bit of a hypocrite. Kind of enjoying like the smooth jazzy tones in the background and probably copyrighted music. I'm just realizing it probably auto played. Okay, it says no copyright lo-fi hip hop playlist. Okay, let me see who got some memberships. My friend Lazinga, what's up? Real Rider, Barbaric Puma, B4 Crypto Sergio, Paul Wood, Eamon, BG, Derek, MBF Forum. Good names there. Dougie Stone, Lorelei, Psychedelic Astronaut, Blair Stevenson, C. Harris, Tear Them to Shreds, Vact, Digibyte, White Knight, Hassan, Bullyberry, Rockstar Cola. Dude, there's so many. Tallboy Crypto, Cody, Gary Kaufman, All, Sergio, Stony235, King Peasant, MMS. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate you gifting them out. The community appreciates you. What do you want to look at, RSK Nor? What do you want to see? What do you want to see? Giving away these memberships, you're giving to the community. Let me give back. What can I look at for you? Eth looking nice. Good. What do I think about AR breaking the weekly? I don't know yet. Haven't looked at it. Thoughts on ICP? Don't know. I haven't looked at it. What's up, a lot of vagina? J Crypto, Victor, Line in My Pocket, XSIN. We got a lot of names. Is Josh back? Did someone say Josh? Where's Josh been? What's up, R-Pink? It's over, sell it all. Ah, that is Josh. You're right. Haha. He's been undercover. Been an undercover guy spreading his fuds. Nice 60-minute or nice 30-minute candle. Hourly shaping up. We saw this happen earlier, though. We had this beautiful top wick while we were live. We were watching the close. 3 minutes, 5 minutes before the close, just dumped down, rejected the bullish engulf. This hourly, maybe looking to fill that wick. 4 hour, let's check back on her. Now green. All right. All right. I was speculating we get the indecision candle here on the 4 after that failed 1 hour engulf. There we go, though. Nice and green again. Hour and 13 minutes till close. What's up, Shane? I see you subscribing. There he is. 1 second looks insane. Yeah, that's why I don't pull it up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 1 minute is wild. Let's leave this up. I'll just read stuff in the chat. Mana, USD, Ferrari. No one's asked about Mana in a year. What's up, Willie Null? How you doing, my friend? Mr. Crypto. Josh wants to see EGLD. I mean, pick your own poison, my friend. I don't think I've checked up on it in a while, but last time I did, it was a little brutal. Little brutes. And of course, stopping me out. Stopping me out. That long was placed so long ago. Back in November of last year. Finally stopped out August. Suck it. Broke down from a bear flag. Rare. Rejected, rejected. Higher low here on the day. Let's go. What's this monthly look like? Yeah, we'll call it a double bottom. I was so stupid to have my stop right there. Of course I was going to get swept. Oh well. Double bottom on the month. You could say double bottom on the year, double bottom on the quarter. Probably extends out to like every time frame of significance. Go to that week. Lower highs, lower lows. Where it stops, no one knows. Momentum slowing down. Slowing down there. RSI painting some bull div here. RSI lows up. Candle closes down and wicks down. I don't know, Josh. I don't know, man. Got resistance above you now at 32.80. Got support below you at 22.25, and you're kind of right in the middle of those values. The middle. Let's throw on some moving averages. I don't know where to go with this. Below everything. Josh. I think it retests 32.80. There you go. I can see that. 32.80 question. I don't know. I've had bad luck now with these longs, dude. Getting sniped, getting wicked out by 25 cents. This chart makes me sad, Josh. If EGLD loses 22, you'd be looking at 10. So 1618 extension below you was previous resistance. Coming back in to be tested as support potentially for the first time ever. Appreciate your super chat, Josh. I love you, bud. Hope you're around more. I don't know where you've been. Hopefully you've been happy and healthy, enjoying the summer. What's up, Young Swirl? Subscribing in the middle of my chat. Love it. Love it. Hey, hi, Ivo. What's up, Kumar? You've got one of the memberships. All right. Ignore the fact that you don't have it. That's okay. What am I trading? Nothing really right now. I got 2 longs open on the corn. That's about it. Carve a car. Tom's too early for shorts, I know. So some of you are probably looking at that short position right here. If you were here at the beginning of the stream when we placed it, I said, here's where I would look to long down at 58.5 if it comes. But if you're looking for this rally to be over, probably can look to short right there. It's 59.7. Stop not hit yet, up at like 60.2. And I said I won't take this. I don't think that's a good idea. I think it's going up more. Technically it has since then. It did hit slightly higher high. Man, it's slowing down. The momentum is getting into molasses here, dude. Slowing, just getting more hesitant. Close about 57.7, still be good on the hour, but not as fancy as the earlier close. Not even close. You guys should make sure you're in the Discord. Keep up with the live community. 24/7 chat. What you should also do is check out the links in the video description below, including our sponsors, Lux Algo and MetaSignal. Sign up with any of them. Could be an exchange, could be Lux Algo, doesn't matter. Any of them. And you'll get exclusive access to our private trading group in Discord. It's free. The only way in it, to use a partner link. They are affiliate links. They do support the channel, and I appreciate you. Appreciate you for using them. We might have a little Discord party tonight. Little bowls, little beers, little chart, and a little fun. You want to join us? Make sure you're in there tonight. It's open door. You don't have to have like a membership or anything. Just got to be there. And, you know, I think Bitcoin's moving. If you missed the start of the stream, my predictions for this weekend and next week, I highly recommend you check them out. You should check out the free trading course playlist on this channel. It's good stuff. Upgrade your game. Sharpen them skills. We've gained about 100 something, 120 subscribers in this live stream. There's another one. Awesome. We hit 125. We're going for 150,000 subscribers here. By the end of the year? Nah. By like the end of Q1 next year. We'll have 150. Maybe. We'll see what happens. I'm going to bounce. It's Friday. Go have fun. Go enjoy your weekend. I'm going to go light up this bowl, do some voiceovers, and I'll catch you guys Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 p.m. East here, live every day for 5 years. We'll be here. Love you, fam.